In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Proton VPN on a MacBook. So let's just assume that you've headed over to www.protonvpn.com and created your account. Once you are onto your landing page, you need to head over to your downloads option on the left side of your screen. As you can see over here, they're going to be getting over to that, and you can see we got Mac OS. So this is exactly that we need to download. And once you download this option, you're going to be getting your Proton VPN on your MacBook, and that's how simple it is. You can see we have other devices as well, like for example we have Android, iOS. So if you're using it for iOS, iPad, you can download this one. You have for Windows and Mac OS, we have GNU and Linux, Chromebook, and Android TV. You can download the different variants as well, the GitHub, F-Droid, and APK, and that is going to be helping you to install it. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.